Have you ever wondered if there's a secret formula to making millions? Well, you're not alone. Everyone, at some point, has toyed with this idea. The good news is, there is a formula. And today we're going to break down that formula into easy-to-understand steps. The formula is simple. It's not a secret handed down through generations of a wealthy family, nor is it a complicated algorithm only understood by Wall Street wizards. It's a process that starts with an idea and ends with execution. Step 1. You need an idea. Not just any idea, but a unique and innovative one. Something that solves a problem or fills a need. It doesn't have to be a world-changing idea, just something that people will be willing to pay for. Step 2. Develop a plan. This is where you lay out how you're going to turn your idea into a reality. What resources do you need? How much will it cost? How will you market it? These are all questions that need to be answered in your plan. Step 3. Take action. This is the most critical step. You can have the best idea and the most detailed plan, but if you don't take action, it's all for nothing. Start small, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Step 4. Be persistent. Success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of persistence. You'll face challenges and obstacles along the way, but you have to keep going. Remember, the only way to fail is to give up. Step 5. Reinvest in your business. Once you start making money, don't just spend it all. Reinvest back into your business. This will help your business grow and increase its value. Now you know the formula. It might seem simple, and that's because it is. The hard part is applying it and sticking to it. But if you do, you'll be on your way to making millions. So why not start today? Take that idea you've been mulling over and start putting it into action. Use this formula as your guide. Share your progress and success stories in the comments. We can't wait to hear about your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the road to wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So keep going, keep growing, and keep pursuing your dreams. The only limit to your success is the one you set for yourself. So set it high and reach for the stars. You've got this.